Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, and I'm so glad to see you here. Yes, new content. Yes, new video with new stuff. We love it. We miss it. Since BoxyCharm and stuff is like consolidated with Ipsy, I don't get as many boxes. So I've got some new makeup today. I've got the Yucca palette from Natasha Denona. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. And I'm going to do a look from this palette. Teresa's Dead loves it. I'm going to try it out and see how it looks with my funky new hair. Because I love these color greens and golds and shimmery bits of color. It looks really cool. I wonder how it's going to look with my purple and blue hair. That's the question. How will it look? Let's just dive in here. I'm going to go into Valley very lightly. And it picked up really nicely. And I'm going to put it in my crease and blend it out. I got karaoke tonight, and I have a bunch of people coming, so that'll be fun. It'll be a lot of fun to have some new people there, and this is looking super cute. Yay! So far, so good. I'm really desperate to see what this looks like. That. It's so beautiful. I'm just gonna put it right there. I know I haven't done anything else yet, but I want that to live on my eyeballs. I couldn't wait for that. And it's got a green gold shimmer. That looks so cute. So cute and lively. Now I just have to do the rest of the look because I normally do that last. But I just could not wait to see that on my eyeballs at all. I'm gonna go in. These two colors are really similar. This one's just a little more pale, and this one's a little more. That's a little more brown. That's a little more green. But I'm gonna go into citrine. This right here, citrine. That's pretty. I'm gonna dig in on it. I'm totally gonna wear black tonight. With all this color I'm about to put on my face, black will be the color of the evening. It doesn't look too bad with the purple. It's a whole little baby poop, baby puke color fantasy happening right here, right now. What else should I do? I'm gonna go into Make Ya. Yeah. That's adding a really great green shimmer. Oh, I'm loving it. It's so pretty. More. That looks awesome. Alright, I'm going to do eyeliner mascara now. That is all I want to do from that palette. This is amazing. My stylist slay all day. No, stay all day. Love a little wing. Love a little wing. Now I'm going to do some mascara. I'm going to use Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. Because it is great. Really gives some length. Such a good mascara. I feel so pretty. And for my lip, I'm going to do my Stable Neutral Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink in number 65 Seductress. Is that too pink? I think it's too pink. It's too pink. I will go in with no, it's pinker. That's Mo Pink. Gemini. A great neutral. That's the same pink. That is dead. Goodbye, Gemini. Oh, I just got eyeshadow on my face. Oh, I just ruined my face. Now I got some foundation back on there. That's fine. What lip should I wear? That's the crazy part. I need to wear something dark. Yes. Something dark. Number 50 Voyager Super Matte Stay Ink. Lordy, what am I doing to my face? Oh my goodness. I'm saving it. Maybe I'm not. Louie, no. Leave that alone. All right, that's not too bad. Making faces at myself. All right, this is my look. What do you think? I think the eye look looks good. The lipstick is a little cockeyed, but we've got to look down. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink to the Wind and Natasha Denona Yucca palette is awesome. So I will see you real soon. Have a great day or day of choice. Bye.